Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. Justice. Card number 11. The Justice card depicts a figure, often a woman, seated on a throne, holding a sword in one hand and scales in the other. The sword symbolizes the clarity and decisiveness needed to make fair judgments, while the scales represent balance and impartiality. The figure is often shown in front of a veil or a backdrop that suggests the need to look beyond appearances to find the truth. This card is about fairness and balance. Justice represents the principles of fairness, balance, and law. It suggests that decisions should be made with integrity and that actions have consequences. It's also about karma and accountability. This card often indicates that karmic justice is at play, meaning that what you have put out into the world will return to you for better or worse. Lastly, the Justice card calls for honesty and responsibility, urging you to consider all sides of a situation before making a judgment. It's a reminder to act with integrity and to seek the truth in all matters. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you.